Malacanang assures that the classroom shortage problem is being addressed. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte pointed out that the DepEd and DPWH are acting towards constructing more two-story classrooms in provinces and in Metro Manila. Elena Luna tells us more.
As classes begin next week, Malacanang assures the government is addressing the shortage of classrooms all over the country. Deputy Spokesperson Abigail Valdez said the government is cognizant of the need to close the classroom gap.
Meron na nga pong ongoing project ang DepEd at ang DPWH to address the classroom shortage. Ngayon, from Secretary Luistro, ang sabi nga po niya, mas madali hong matugunan yung shortage kapag sa mga probinsya dahil meron po tayong pagtatayuan ng mga eskwelahan. Ang naging model na po kasi ng DepEd, at least that will be replicated in different areas in the country, yung two-story classrooms po natin. However, mas mahirap po yung kaso natin sa NCR given the current situation of the metro. Mas mahirap pong maghanap ng land na tatayuan pa ng mga eskwelahan. At ngayon, pinupulido na nga po nila yung magiging modelo para, kasi medyo high-rise na po yung kailangan, at least for here in Metro Manila. So yes, that is being addressed. And we're looking to cut that backlog significantly.
In a number of speeches, the President has vowed to close classroom shortage by end of 2013. The palace also announced there will be no tuition fee hikes in state universities and colleges. For schools implementing fee increases, they passed through CHED and DepEd deliberations. Of the 451 higher educational institutions that applied, only 354 were approved. DepEd, on the other hand, gave approval to 903 schools.
Just to give you an idea of how the process is done, they're asked to submit their financial statements and yung proof ng documentation as proof that the parents were consulted when it came to the matter of their increases. So binabantayan po yan at tinitingnan ng DepEd at ng CHED kung saan po napupunta kung sakaling binigyan po sila ng increase last year.
The palace added there is an existing student financial assistance program available through CHED.
Nag-increase po sila ng 10% doon sa mga slots nila last year for school year 2013 to 2014 para mas marami po silang matulungan.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.